Imagine you jump in your car one morning and it won't start. You live an hour away from your job and there's no public transportation. You don't have enough savings for a repair and you've got no good options. Panic sets in. This is an example of the impossible choices that millions of low-income workers across the United States face every day. Too many workers, whom we all rely on, are one emergency from financial ruin. These workers are ALICE, asset limited, income constrained, employed, earning more than what's considered poverty wages, but less than what's needed to afford the basics. They're our childcare workers, home health aides, delivery drivers, and cashiers. And when these essential workers are this vulnerable to one emergency, it's a crisis for all of us. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if ALICE workers had access to emergency funds or jobs within reach of housing that was affordable? What if there were backup transportation options? And what if there were a tool that mapped out opportunities that could lead to jobs with livable wages, safe housing, and community resources, transforming lives and communities? That's where the ALICE Economic Viability Dashboard comes in. A comprehensive mapping tool developed by United for ALICE. The dashboard can provide community planners, housing experts, policymakers, and business leaders with a roadmap for developing these 3 pillars for financial stability. With the capability to zero in at a local level or zoom out to county and state levels, the dashboard provides 30 new variables that shed light on the obstacles blocking ALICE and those in poverty from achieving financial stability. Find out the percentage of residents struggling financially who are working part-time versus full-time, their commute times, how many are rent-burdened, and the percent with high-speed internet. And if you want to learn from communities that are working to tackle these challenges, you can learn about promising practices and then size up how your community compares alongside others. With side-by-side views, you can see how 2 locations rate on data such as unemployment, home ownership levels, and access to preschool. Equipped with these findings, the opportunities for change are within reach with a commitment to unite around solutions. In the meantime, ALICE workers can't wait for better choices. Ready to get started? Visit unitedforalice.org/betterchoices.